Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today we will do some question from Vedanta Excel in Mathematics, 5th updated edition, exam number 2081, book 10, set exercise 1.1, page 22. Continue, creative section A. The question of A. A survey was conducted among 125 students of class 10 study in Gyan Mandir Secondary School regarding the places for the educational tour, and it has found that 65 students preferred to visit Lumbini Yal, 25 preferred to visit Pokhara P, and 25 preferred both the places. Then 1. Write the cardinality of set of students who preferred to visit both Pokhara and Lumbini in set notional form. Now its solution. Here, for 1, cardinality of set of students who prefer to visit both in set notional form. We have to write this. There is number of L intersection P equal to 25. This is the answer for 1. Now for 2, so the above information in a Venn diagram. Here, number of U is 125 and number of P is 75. Number of L is 65. Number of L intersection P is 25. Now, using formula, number of U equal to number of P plus number of L minus number of L intersection P plus number of L union P whole complement or 125 equal to 75 plus 65 minus 25 plus number of L union P whole complement or 125 equal to 25 plus 65 minus 25. Let us use calculator. 25 plus 65 minus 25. That is 115 plus number of L union P whole complement. Therefore, number of L union P whole complement equal to 125 minus 115, that is 10. After this, representing in Venn diagram. Representing in Venn diagram. U, then inside U, to subset Pokhara P and Lumbini L. Who visit both, that is 25. Complement what is 10? 10 and at P 75 minus 25, that is 50. Only Lumbini 65 minus 25, that is what is this? The required Venn diagram. For 3 and 3, find the number of students who prefer neither of two places. There is number of from Venn diagram. Number of P union L whole complement. that is 10. Now, number 4, find the ratio of the number of students who prefer Lumini only and Pohara only. For 4, we have to find number of students who prefer Lumini only is to Pohara only, that is N naught L is to N naught P. From the Venn diagram, N naught L is 40 is to N naught P is 50. That is 4 is to 5. So the required ratio is 4 is to 5. So this is the answer for 4A. Now next question, question number 4B. A survey was carried out in a village of Chandrapur municipality of Rohtak district regarding the local languages. Among 1,400 people participated in the survey. It was found that 600 people can speak Bhojpuri, 900 can speak Maithili, and 350 people can speak Bhojpuri, other as Maithili languages. Number 1. If B and M represent the sets of people who can speak Bhojpuri and Maithili respectively, write the cardinality of number of B intersection M. Now let's do its solution. Solution here for 1. We have to write cardinality of number of B intersection M. The cardinality of number of B intersection M equals to 350. Intersection means we can speak both languages. For 2, we have draw the Venn diagram to show the above data. Here number of U equals to 1,400. Then 600 can speak Bhojpuri. Number of B 600. 900 can speak Maithili. Number of M is 900. I can speak both. Number of B intersection M, that is 350. Now using formula, number of U equals to number of B plus number of M minus number of B intersection M plus number of B union M whole complement, or 1,400 equals to 600 plus 900 minus 350 plus number of B union M whole complement, or 1,400 equals to 900 plus 600 minus 350. The result is 600 plus 900 minus 350, that is 1,150 plus number of B union M whole complement. Therefore, number of B union M whole complement equal to 1,400 minus 1,150, that is 250. After this, we can represent in Venn diagram. Then, representing in our Venn diagram, here U, then two subset of U are B and M. B for Bhojpuri, M for Maithili. The intersection data is 350, so 350 here, and N not B, 600 minus 350. 600 minus 350, that is 250. N not M, that is 900 minus 350. 900 minus 350, that is 550. And completed data is 250 here. 250. Now for 3, how many people cannot speak both of the languages? For 3, from Venn diagram, number of B union M whole complement. Whole complement, that is 250. So 250 people cannot speak. 250 people cannot speak both the languages. Now for 4, how many more or less people can speak Maithili only, then Bhojpuri only? 4, number of Maithili only and Bhojpuri only. M not, M is more than M not B. So again this M not M minus M not B equal to 550 minus 250. This equal to 300. So we can write 300 more people can speak Maithili only. 300 more people can speak Maithili only, then Bhojpuri only. Then Bhojpuri only. Now this was for the 4B. Now next question 4C. During Visit Nepal 2020, among 7,500 Chinese tourists who visited Nepal, 60% of them had already visited Bhutan, 50% had visited Sri Lanka, and 30% have visited both the countries. Number 1, if B and S denote the sets of tourists who visited Bhutan and Sri Lanka respectively, write the number of tourists who visited Bhutan in set notation. Now is solution. Here for 1, we have to write number of tourists who visited Bhutan in set percent, that is number of B for Bhutan equals to 60% already visited, 60% visited Bhutan, so equal to 60% of 7,500 equal to 60 by 100 times 7,500. Now this equal to 4,500. Now for 2, illustrate this information in a Venn diagram. Here, number of U is 7,500. Number of B is 60% of 7,500, that is 4,500. Number of yes, that is 50% of 7,500, that is 50 by 100 times 7,500 is equal to 6,750. Then 30% have visited both, that is number of B intersection S equal to 30% of 7,500, that is 30 by 100 times 7,500, that is 2,250. Now, using formula, number of U equals to number of B plus number of S minus number of B intersection S plus number of B union S whole complement, or 7,500 equals to 4,500 plus 3,750 minus 2,250 plus number of B union S whole complement, or 7,500 equal to 4,500 plus 2,750 minus 2,250, that is 6,000 plus number of B union S whole complement. Therefore, number of B union S whole complement is 1,500. Then, representing in a Venn diagram. Representing in a Venn diagram. Universal set U and two subsets B and S. B for Bhutan and S for Sri Lanka. Who visited both, that is 2,250. Who visited none, that is 1,500. Who visited Bhutan only, that is 4,500 minus 2,250. Who visited only Sri Lanka, that is 3,750 minus 2,250, that is 1,500. This is the required Venn diagram. After this, for 3, how many tourists have visited neither Bhutan nor Sri Lanka? For 3, number of from Venn diagram, number of B union S complement equal to 1,500, this one. So 1,500 tourists have visited neither Bhutan nor Sri Lanka. Neither Bhutan nor Sri Lanka. Then for 4, how many tourists have already visited only one of these countries? For 4, only one of this country, that is N naught B plus N naught S. From the Venn diagram, who visited only one, that is N naught B and N naught S, their sum. N naught B is 2250 plus N naught S is 1500 from the Venn diagram. Now adding together 3750, that is 3750. So 3750 tourists. So 3750 tourists we have already visited. We have already visited only one of these countries. Only one of these countries. Okay, this was for 4C. Now question of 5A. In a survey conducted in a community of Gorkha district regarding cultural dances, it was found that out of 500 people, 180 people can perform Surati dance, as 250 can perform Gatu dance G, and 120 can perform neither of these two dances. Then 1. Write the same notation that represents the number of people who can perform neither Surati nor Gatu dance. Now, resolution. Here, for 1. Number of S union G complement who can perform neither of these dances, that is 120. So number of S union G whole complement equal to 120. This is answer for 1. Now for 2, represent the above information in a Venn diagram. Here, number of U is equal to 500. Then number of S, that is 180. Number of G is 250. Number of S union G whole complement, that is 120. Now using formula, number of U equal to number of S plus number of G minus number of S intersection G plus number of S union G whole complement, or 500 equal to 180 plus 250 minus number of S intersection G plus 120, or 500 equal to, let us use calculator, 180 plus 250, that is 180 plus 250 plus 120, that is 550 minus number of S intersection G. Therefore, number of S intersection G equal to 550 minus 500, that is 50. After this, then representing in a Venn diagram. We need U universal set, then its subsets are S and G. S for Surati dance, set G for Gatu dance. Now who dance both 50? So here 50. Who dance none? that is complete part 120. Who dance on this Sorati? That is number of as 180 minus 50, 130. Who dance only Gato dance? 250 minus 50, that is 200. This is the Venn diagram. Now for third, number 3, how many people can perform both the dances? Number 3, from the Venn diagram, number of S intersection G equal to 50. So 50 people can perform both the dances. Can perform both the dances. Now part 4, compare the number of people who can perform Sorati only and Gato only. Now part 4, Sorati only, that is and not S is to Gato only, that is energy. Now Venn diagram, and not S is 130 is to energy is 200, that is 13 is to 20. Or number of G minus number of S. Energy is more than energy, so energy minus energy S equal to 200 minus 130, that is 70. So I can write the number of people who can perform Gato only. The number of people who can perform Gato dance only is 70 more than number of people who can perform number of people who can perform Sorati dance only. Compare means we can write answer in ratio or in different form. Okay, this was for 5A. Now next question 5A. Last Wednesday, a school successfully accomplished its school's day. For this program, every student participated in at least one of the activities, athletics or music. In a class of 45 students, 21 participated in athletics A and 29 participated in music M. Then first question 1, write the cardinality of number of A union M, both complement. Now it's also here for 1, number of union M both complement is equal to 0 because every student participated in at least one of the activities. Because every student participated in at least one of the activities. So number of A union M whole completed is 0. For 2, draw a Venn diagram to represent the above information. Here, number of U equal to 45, number of A equal to 21, number of M equal to 29, number of A union M whole complement, that is 0. Now, using formula, number of U equal to number of A plus number of M minus number of A intersection M plus number of A union M whole complement. Or number of U is 45 equal to number of A 21, number of M 29 minus number of A intersection M plus complement part is 0. Or 45 equal to 29 plus 21, that is 50 minus number of A intersection M. Therefore, number of A intersection M equal to 5. 45, 50 minus 45, 5. Then, representing in our Venn diagram. U inverse set U, and then to subset athletics A and music M. Who perform both, that is 5. Here is 5. Who perform none, that is 0. Who perform athletics only, that is 21 minus 5, that is 16. Music only music, 29 minus 5, that is 24. 29 minus 5, 24. This is the Venn diagram. Then for 3, how many students participate in both the activities? For 3, from the Venn diagram, number of A intersection M equal to 5. So 5 students participated in both the activities. So 5 students participated in both the activities. Now for 4, compare the number of students who participated in athletics only and music only. So for 4, and not A is to and not M from the Venn diagram, and not A is 16 is to and not M is 24. Minimize this ratio. 8 2s are 16 is to 8 3s are 24. Or you can find their difference. N at M is more than N at A. So N at M minus N at A equal to 24 minus 16, that is 8. So the number of students who participated in music only is 8 more than the number of students who participated in athletics only. Okay, this was for 5B. Now, next question. Question on 5C. In a survey conducted among 150 students by school, it was found that 70 students liked cricket, 62 liked basketball, and 30 students did not like any of these two games. The number 1, if C and B denote the set of the students who liked cricket and basketball respectively, write the cardinality of number of B union C whole complement. Now its solution. Here for 1. Cardinality of number of B union C whole complement. That is, number of B union C whole complement equal to who did not like any of these two games, that is 30. So this is equal to 30. For 2, present the information in a Venn diagram. Here number of U is 150 and number of C, who like cricket, number of C is 70. Number of B, who like basketball, that is 62. Like none, number of B union C whole complement, that is 30. Now using formula, number of U equal to number of C plus number of B minus number of C intersection B plus number of C union B whole complement. B intersection C and B union C whole complement, or number of U 150 equal to number of C 70, number of B 62 minus number of B intersection C plus complement, that is 30. Therefore, number of B intersection C equal to this, we get 70 plus 62 plus 30 minus 62 minus 150, that is 12. After this, I can represent in Venn diagram. Then representing in a Venn diagram, universal set U and two subsets, cricket C, basketball B. Like both 12, here is 12. Like none, that is 30, here is 30. Like cricket only, 70 minus 12. 70 minus 12, that is 58. Like basketball only, that is 62 minus 12, that is 50. This is the required Venn diagram. Now for 3, find the number of students who like cricket only from the diagram. From the Venn diagram, and let's see, who like cricket only, and let's see is 58. So 58 students like cricket only. For 4, compare the number of students who like both games and who like none of these games. For who like both games, that is number of B intersection C is to who like non-game, that is number of B union C whole complement. Intersection data is 12 and complement data is 20 from the Venn diagram. Now 6 2s are 12, these 2 6 5 are 20. So required this is 2:5, or we can compare in the difference form. And let's see is like both is less, like one is more. So number of B union C whole complement minus number of B intersection C equal to 30 minus 12. Now that is 30 minus 12, that is 18. So we can write the number of students who liked except these two games. Except these two games is 18 more than the number of students who liked both games. Okay, this was for 5C. Okay students, this was for today. Have a nice study, have a nice time. See you soon.